Tennis and Swim Center has long been regarded the crown jewel of our city. However, as time has passed, it became evident that certain infrastructure updates were necessary. Today marks a significant step forward as we unveil the newly renovated pool area. The revitalized pool area not only offers popular fitness opportunities like lap swimming and aquafit for our members, but also serves as a refreshing retreat for the community during summer camps, dive-in movies, and swim lessons.
As Mayor Weintraub mentioned, the Tennis and Swim Center is the crown jewel of the city of Calabasas. With that being said, the pool is very important to the community, as you can see with our aquafit class going behind us. So it's important to have the ribbon cutting to celebrate the reopening and the renovation of the pool area. It's very important to the city, it's very important to our community, and we're happy to have everyone back in the pool.
We've got a lot of happy members, a lot of happy public here. So it's a really happy day to do the ribbon cutting, get everyone back in the pool, and get the facility back to normal. So we're trying to do a lot of upgrades and renovations to the crown jewel of the city of Calabasas, the Calabasas Tennis and Swim Center, and we're just very excited to have this done and be up and running again.
This is such a boon to all our joint and our stress levels. The pool takes all the stress away, and we have our friendships that keep us coming back.